Hi my lovely viewers, this is Aloyti World Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to select Enable DNS over HTTPS using default protection in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox. Here I have been pinned in my taskbar and the three bar icon and go to the settings. And normally way we will go here the privacy and security. In below side we scroll and the last portion we will get things what have there have DNS over HTTP. So we will enable. So what we want, enable DNS over HTTPS using default protection. Default protection what have there have Firefox decides when to use secure DNS to protect your privacy. So here also some kinds of criteria where I fulfill these things. So here use secure DNS regions wise resolver if there is any kind of problem. So local provider, turn off on VPN, paternal control, lots of things has been here. So we will click the default things. So in this way we can do the default protections about DNS over HTTPS using. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.